Hello, unboxing this Mediastar receiver 2727 forever. It's among my favorites. This is the receiver. It has a USB port, which are two. It has an HDMI port. It has an aux port. This is the power. This is the power input. This is where you attach your cable from the dish. It comes with two remotes. This is a adapter wireless stick. Okay, it's an adapter for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you put it in any of the USB ports. Then you remain with one USB port, which this you can use it to put your modem. You can use it to fix your modem. Power port is here. This goes here. Then there's this is a sensor for the remote. It goes right here. Then this leaves the HDMI port that goes into your television set. Let me hook it up and we continue. Then it also has manual buttons here in case you lose your remotes. You can always turn it on and change channels with these.